Hey y'all, SEMA 2014, and I got the 68 Charger Roadster Shop car that they debuted out here. I think they debuted it out here. They debuted about 6 or 7. So anyways, let me get the camera turned around. We're gonna try to take a look at it. How cool is that? Everything they do, right? Look at that nose, man. I'm sorry, brother. That is just cool. Look, you don't even see the bumper. It's in there, but you don't see it. Oh, dude, that's awesome. And I know I go on and on about the Roadster Shop, but hey, cool is cool, and these boys know cool. Oh, man, alive. Absolutely awesome, guys. I love how they put that stripe on there and flat. The rear bumper, again, you barely even see it. Everything's molded. I'm guessing that's the exhaust that comes out there, but who knows, it's Roadster Shop. Look at these tail lights, right? Man, that's cool. Look how wide those wheels are. Look at that gear shift. Man alive. Man. That is just way cool. What'd I say it was, a 68? So anyways, there you go. Go ahead, go ahead. 68 Charger Roadster Shop build from SEMA 2014. Hope you all enjoyed it. See ya.